Yeah, here we have a really nice Ingersoll Ram 30-gallon horizontal compressors, 13 horsepower Honda GX motor with an electric start. And you got your 2-stage compressor pump made by Ingersoll Ram. I just want to show you, this is a shipping distressed item. Just took a hit, it's a little bent. However, it does not affect the operation of the machine at all whatsoever. This pulley on the pump clears the shroud. We didn't fire it up to see if it would vibrate, but in any case, you can, the pull start on it operates very nicely. It's unused. Like we said, it's in really good shape other than that little bit of shipping distress right here. It looks like these intercooler tubes were slightly bent. As you can see right here. And we thank you for looking at our product.